Yo, what's up? Ricky Sanders here. If you live for fast cars, greasy hands, and solving problems under the hood, welcome to your new favourite spot. I'm all about real fixes, no BS, and showing you how to keep your ride running like a champ. So go ahead, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let's make some noise in the garage. Enough talk, let's get wrenching.
Description manufacturer. UMZ Volume 2 9 litres, 2,890 centimetres cube. Number of cylinders, number of valves, fuel, gasoline injection system, carburetor, power 4 117 horsepower. 8 fuel consumption 10, 5L 100 km cylinder diameter, 100 mm cylinder, order 1-3-4-2 Econorma -€4. All engines were equipped with a 5-speed gearbox of mechanical shift type. The clutch was installed dry. Maintenance. How to correctly carry out maintenance on the UMZ 421 engine. According to the factory data and technical cards, let's describe how to carry out maintenance for the 4213. Maintenance of the power unit is carried out every 10,000 kilometers of mileage for operation on gasoline, and 8 to 9,000 kilometers, if there is a gas installation, TO0. 1,000 kilometers, change of oil and oil filter. 10,000 kilometers, replacement of oil and air filter, spark plugs, high voltage wires, fine fuel filter, valve clearance adjustment. 20,000 kilometers, change of oil filter, fuel filter. 30,000 kilometers, change of oil and air filter, spark plugs, high voltage wires, fine fuel filter. 40,000 kilometers, change oil filter, fuel filter, and alternator. 50,000 kilometers and thereafter, oil and oil filter change. Every 20,000 kilometers the fuel and air filter is changed, valves are adjusted. Faults and repairs, problems and shortcomings of the UMZ engine are the same as those of the 402 engine, on the basis of which it was created. Designers have optimized and adapted the motor, but some shortcomings still remain. Thus, during operation there is vibration, twitching and trolling of the power unit. By and large, this is due to injection deficiencies. On the injectors there is plaque, which is eliminated by cleaning. As the practice of motorists shows, native parts should be replaced with better quality elements of analog production. Another serious disadvantage is the deficiency of the cooling system. So, obsolete thermostat system leads to constant overheating. But everything changes dramatically with the installation of a kit of the coolant system. Also, to the disadvantage can be attributed a large consumption of fuel, but with such a volume of the motor, it is not surprising. You can modernize the system by flashing the electronic control unit of the power unit, where you can reduce consumption, or sacrifice this function and increase the power characteristics. To improve engine performance, the owner of the vehicle is offered to install a turbine. So, we leave standard shafts, standard piston, we refine the cylinder head, channels, combustion chambers, grind, by a small 17 Garrett. With intercooler, cook under it collector, by injectors Subaru 440 SS, exhaust on 63 pipe straight, adjust and get a tractor motor. With low power, but with good torque. Conclusion. Engine UMZ 4213 is designed on the classic variant of ZMZ 402. The motor turned out to be quite good, if you do not take into account the nuance that all the shortcomings of the Volga power unit remained inevitable. But, in this case, the motorist is offered the option of modernization and tuning. Engine UMZ 4213 UMZ 4213 Engine UMZ 4213 Engine. In conclusion, the UMZ 4213 engine stands out as a significant advancement over its predecessor, the ZMZ 402, particularly with its injector system. Understanding its technical characteristics is crucial for any owner or enthusiast, as it not only enhances performance but also informs maintenance and repair strategies. Regular upkeep and awareness of common issues can prolong the engine's lifespan and ensure optimal functionality. By following the recommended service techniques and being proactive about repairs, owners can enjoy the reliability and efficiency that the UMZ 4213 has to offer. Thank you for watching, and we hope this overview has provided valuable insights into the UMZ 4213 engine.